Hey everybody, it is Kristen with Humble Mama Hustle, and today we are going to do an unboxing of the Nuu Mobile G1 powered by Android 8.1, which is the Go Edition Oreo. In this video, the unboxing of the G1 is a pretty amazing phone for the price. It has a 5.7 HD 1440 by 720 screen. It's a 1.3 gigahertz quad core. It holds 16 gigabits of memory, and it runs at 1 gigabyte of RAM. It's very low due to the fact that it is a Go Edition and it is a pretty fast phone. It also comes with a 8 megapixel rear camera and a 5 megapixel front camera. It comes with a fingerprint ID. And it also comes with a dual SIM. So you can put two different SIM cards within this phone and you can switch back and forth between your SIM cards. Your video recording, HD recording and playback, recording resolution is 1080p, playing resolution is 1920 by 1080p, and your video playing format is MPEG-4, which is amazing. Your connectivity to Wi-Fi uses 5G. So if you have a 5G wireless within your house, it will connect to your 5G, which makes running games and any kind of streaming smoother and faster, and will give you that wonderful quality of video. Right here you will see that there's the fingerprint, and the back of that is an anti-slip grip. There's your volume buttons and your power buttons, and your charger and your headphones, and your microphone, and on the back you're going to see your speaker at the bottom. Now with the phone turned on, I am going to go into the settings and show you how much memory has been used just by installing the operating system of Oreo, which is the Go Edition. And as soon as we get into the settings, it will show you it's 3.52 gigabytes. It's only been used, and it's only 22% of everything, and there's no social media put on here yet. It is just your Go Edition. So just imagine how much more memory you can put on here. So right now it is at 16 gigabits, and you can add an extra 64 gigabits into this phone. My kids are able to use this phone just to play around with, and they love it, and I love it too because it looks like it's going to be pretty hard to break. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will talk to you next time. I'll see you later. Bye.
Yeah.